Zoyo mangu mangu. Mugamba situka muwerekere kwawo. Omugalo muli mutyawo ab'ewuwo bali batya. Omugalo sayizi ewuwo bali batya. Bonna bapiira mu Jinja district. Ewakira abantu tebayitaani. Oda kwangu selekito bade ki abana ba muzeyi bali kulya hape Okay, thank you. Selector. Go to zero. Selector, go to zero. Yes. So, what do you have? I saw you coming on the board and you had those things. What do you mean?
And I came in style.
Stylish.
But I want to say in Uganda they say woyagala omulungi tokowa kwetika.
When you want to manjeri. Vya manjeri. Tivya manjeri. Ntegeire ko chimonti manjeri. Kitegeza niki?
My family, they are asking Manjeri whether whatever we have brought in front here belongs to us, ourselves, or to Manjeri. So
Manjeri onkobere kitufu. Ebintu bino obikiriria.
Baba ebintu ebyo tubikirira naye. Mbeere nsaba nti nsooke mubisabire ku Kayisi.
Manjeri has requested the family to pray for the gifts in the front, then maybe they will accept it.
Nakuwulya omulundi ogwokubiri.
Kale Baba.
Manjeri ebintu byaleetera okuluga luno tubirye.
Baba mubirye naye musooke tubisabira ku Kayisi.
Akobere mbo tusooke tubisabire Kayisi tukole niki? N'ekibuuzo omulundi ogusembayo. Kayisi kubetiiki mu bigambo byo. Manjeri ebintu byaleetera okuluga luno tubirye.
Baba mubirye naye musooke tubisabira ku Kayisi.
Basooke kubisabira ku Kayisi. Singa mbaire basiimire bandikubireko obugalo ab'esayidi yedi.
Let's have a hand clap.
Okay. I'm giving you this cock.
I'm giving you this cock.
Purely for no other reason.
Purely for no other reason.
Except Manjeri.
Except my wife, Nandera Manjeri.
You should never go out for another cock unless if you want a second.
You can never go out for another cock.
Regarding Manjeri.
Regarding my wife, Manjeri.
You only come to me and I will add you.
You only come to me, we have so many at home.
You also answer Muko. I've accepted.
Oh, Charles, I'm so grateful. I have accepted this cock.
I will never go
to another Muko to give me another cock.
Regarding Manjeri.
But I just pray to God that He may bless you with peace and money.